Hello everyone, finally we have finished our first project. Now it's time to start our second project. But guys, before starting our second project, I want to tell you something. If you want to learn NextJs, then you have to start building projects. So guys, if you want to learn NextJs, then you have to build projects. This is the great method to learn NextJs. And guys, if you want to learn any programming language, then you have to build project. And guys, if you want to learn Python or Ruby or C++ or React, React is a framework. And guys, if you want to learn NextJs, then guys, this is the important framework that you have to learn before learning NextJs. Guys, in this NextJs series, we will not talk about how to create an API with NextJs, but guys, we will talk about how to fetch data from any APIs through server-side props or server-side rendering. So guys, we will talk every features of NextJS except APIs. So guys, we will not learn how to create an API in NextJS, but we will learn how to fetch the data from an API. So guys, the next thing that you have to learn is that how to create an API in NextJS. So guys, now that's it. And guys, also before going, I want to tell you, if you want to learn NextJS, then you have to build projects. So guys, that's why I'm giving you a homework. So guys, the homework is that you have to create a personal portfolio. So guys, go and create that portfolio website. Till then, bye bye.
A few inches later.
And guys, also before going, I want to tell you, 92% haven't subscribed this channel. So guys, go and subscribe this channel right now.